This is not a regular screencast, but a kind of video reply to one of the questions we received as comment to our screencasts. By the way, if you are willing to understand how one or another product of ABBYY works, don't be afraid to do like this user here did and ask your questions in comments. Comments to all of our screencasts are open and anyone may ask them. If your question is going to be really interesting, for sure we will prepare a kind of video showing how you can do one or another thing using ABBYY product. Alright, so the question here is how to verify scanned documents, and what I decided to do, I decided to record video showing all basic steps which involves conversion of a paper document into a searchable PDF or Microsoft Word file, and this is what I'm going to show right now. I placed one page with text on a glass of my scanner, and this is how FineReader looks right after its launch. Alright, the very first step we should make is to scan our page, and I'm doing it using this scan button. It opens, first of all, it creates a new document automatically, new FineReader document, and then it checks what scanners are currently connected to my computer. It takes some time, but then it opens an interface which is used to communicate directly with available scanners. Here is the interface, so what we can do before setting up any settings here, we may generate preview. Here we can adjust area which we would like to scan. Alright, so in my case here is needed text, like that, and also 300 dpi is optimal resolution for scanning. Grayscale mode also convenient, and actually I'm not going to change anything else here. I just press scan button to scan this page in a good quality, convenient for further recognition. This is a scan of my page, and actually I crumpled it especially so that we have some mistakes to be verified. But first, right after you scan your document, it is necessary to indicate blocks with needed text. So in my case I need the whole page, so I select the area, and then it is necessary to indicate what type of information do you actually have inside this area. So you have to select area type. In my case it's just a text, but it could be table, picture, or some other types, but we need text. Alright, so here I indicate that the language is English, and after that I am launching recognition by pressing this read button. Recognition is done, and as you may see here we have recognized text, and with a blue mark some characters where the program is not confident in recognition results are marked. And basically right now we are passing to the longest part of the process, which is verification of the results. To launch verification, I press verification button here, and in this window ABBYY FineReader shows me the initial image here upstairs, and then it shows recognition result. So here is the image with the form designer. It was recognized as form designer, and it also marks with the red color in confident words. So the problem here is that form designer is a product name, but FineReader didn't have such word in its dictionary, so it was marked as a suspicious word. It offers to place space in between. If we would like to do it, we simply double click on the word, but we can also manually change the text in this window here. For instance, here we should have "it is possible", so I simply type "it" space "is possible" to configure, and then press confirm button. And if letter was recognized correctly, as in this case T, I press ignore button, and we are passing to the next error. Here we had some garbage which was recognized as dot, so I simply remove it using backspace and press confirm, and so on. If it is necessary to change some text or correct some errors after verification, it can be done in this text window. So basically, in order to do it, all you have to do is just place cursor or select paragraph which you would like to modify and make your corrections. For instance, let's add something here. Or remove something. So basically here you work like with text, any text editor. You can type whatever you want. You can modify errors if you find something, and make all needed changes. Alright, when you finish your verification and corrections in this text window, the final step is to export your document, your recognized document, to a needed format. And by the way, you can have several export destinations. For example, let's try to export our recognized page into searchable PDF so that we can load it later on, let's say into our iPad, and read it there. So I select here save as PDF document, and I save it on my desktop. Let's call it page, and I put the tick open document after saving or export. Here is our page. It's searchable PDF. Basically what we have here is our initial image, but we also have transparent layer with our verified text. That means that you can run search inside this document, for example, like that. Here it is, our FlexiCapture word. Or you can copy and paste some text to another application, for example, into Notepad. Alright, so it was PDF format, searchable PDF format, but probably you don't need a PDF, but you would like to create a new document based on this recognized text, so you can send it to Microsoft Word again. All I need to do just to indicate the destination here, I press Save button. Here is our text, and it's in Microsoft Word, and we can format it or edit as we want it or need it. So I hope that I replied to the question how possible to verify and correct errors after recognition using verification stage or this text window. In any case, if you have any further questions, just don't be afraid to ask them in comments to this YouTube video. Thank you very much for your attention. Another idea came into my mind when I almost finished this video reply. What if you don't care about the initial image, but you need only a PDF with this recognized text? It can be done with ABBYY FineReader. All you have to do, you select here Save as PDF document, but before saving you go to the options, and here you select a different saving mode. It should be text and pictures only, without a page image on the background, and then you save your PDF, and here it is. As you may see, now we have text only without the initial image.